Alright guys, so we're gonna do a full video today, getting everybody's reaction. I hope you guys enjoy the video because I enjoy this car even more with the sound that it makes. I'm gonna be showing my girlfriend first. Got the blast pipes on, as you guys can tell from the last video whenever I upload it. But yeah, hope you guys enjoy. Alright guys, and also we're just gonna do a cold start. I haven't started it since like yesterday night, so fucking shit, I hate these doors, bro. Fucking alright. So I'm gonna let this bitch warm up and go pump gas, and we'll see. All right, so I'm waiting for my girl, and I don't know if she heard me from all the way down there. I hope so, but I'm gonna rev it. I already did it right now, but I'm gonna do it again.
Shit is loud as fuck. I heard you coming down the street.
For real?
Yeah.
From over there or what?
Yeah.
Dang.
And I told my mom, I was like, yeah, Mikey did some shit to his car. So it's loud again. And she was like, really? And then you came like a few minutes later. She's like, is that him? And then you're like revving the fuck out of it. Like, this shit makes me look so white.
The camera?
Yeah.
Yeah, this quality is kind of fast. I'm gonna dip right here.
Yeah. Just don't be dumb, but yeah. I rated it a million out of 10. 10 out of 10.
Yep. Well, hold up.
Well, right. Did I hear something? So you did something with something?
Yeah. Look in the back.
Oh, there's one too? Yeah.
Look at the back.
What the fuck?
This shit looks crazy, huh?
That shit shoots, doesn't it?
No, it doesn't shoot flames. It does pop a little bit, fool. Like right now, I'll do some baby revs. Record Julian's reaction.
Baby revs though.
Yeah, baby revs.
Tone it down.
Here? Yeah, just little.
That's not that loud. Like the higher. You want me to record Julian?
Yeah.
Don't record me. You want to be like, I got you. Nah, I'm cool. Baby, my fucking ass. That's swear that is.
I don't want to go any louder.
Go, fuck it. Hey, for real. That shit sounds clean as fuck.
Oh,
Hey, you didn't think it was gonna be that loud?
God damn, fuck no, that shit's louder than allergies.
I know, that's what I was saying. You could, like, feel it.
I felt that shit.
Yeah.
That shit when I felt the fucking wind. Fuck.
That's just crazy.
Hey, how long that shit take?
That shit
took us
minute, dude.
the whole day.
I was
like-
freezing. I was
Hey,
freezing.
y'all wanted me to go over there. I was like, nah.
Yeah, you made a good decision. Brandon left early, and we were still working on just one bolt we had to take out because it was stripped.
One bolt?
Yeah, because it got stuck in there, so we had to bang it out and shit. Do you hear us? Yeah. What do you think?
It sounds way better.
Yeah. Trying to see the exhaust?
Yeah.
Well, I had to lift it, fool. That shit was scraping. Swear, fool. I got some spark clips, fool. That shit looks badass, though.
Sorry.
It's whatever, huh? Mid?
Mid as well.
Rabbit? Alright, got Alex. We're gonna have Alex get a joyride, but look. That's just cool. Look, fool, that shit burnt the bumper too the first time we drove it.
Yeah.
We kind of moved it a little bit, but
Eli said it's mid, so I guess it's mid. What do you say, mid?
yeah. I'm gonna rev it for Alex real quick.
Test rev, test rev. Oh my god, it's a VQ! It's a VQ. It's the trumpet. The trumpet. That shit sounds badass. She sounded hella sexy. Oh shit! Oh, ever since I got it, fool, happy as fuck, bro. That shit sounds delicious. That shit sounds crazy. That shit sounds crazy. You unlocked its potential. For real, it's EQ for real now. Damn, imagine when you're drifting this bitch.
I know.
That's just gonna sound sexy.
Hella, dude.
Oh my god.
Oh no.
Oh damn.
It needs to unlock those pops, but it has to.
It's got him.
And they literally sacrificed so much. My dad used to tell me he was literally only had one pair of boxers growing up here when he would work here. And my dad's a truck driver, and he literally struggled so much for me and my family. I don't know how I'm fucking crying, but that story gets me every fucking time, man. I just literally I wanna make my parents proud. I wanna make my parents proud, and I'm trying to every single day, busting out these fucking videos and shit. And I just wanna, you know, finally tell my dad that he doesn't have to work for the rest of his life anymore.